In today's day and age, everything is online and people are making money in ways you can't even imagine. You might come across 25 different opportunities every day that might tell you make 1 lakh rupees in 1 month or make 5,000 rupees every day just by using social media. But how true is all this? Is making money with digital marketing actually possible? Or all this money making with digital marketing just a big scam? Well, don't worry. If you have some knowledge and digital marketing skills, then making money with digital marketing is not a scam for you. Hi, my name is Jay Dattani, and in today's video, let's find out how you can make money with digital marketing. Now, if you know digital marketing, you can surely get hired at some company and get a fixed monthly income for you. But what if you're business minded and don't want to work under someone else? Don't worry, you can still make money using your knowledge and skills in digital marketing. And the first way to do this is to become an influencer. Baby influencer, mommy influencer, dog influencer, or even a granny influencer. Literally everyone these days wants to become an influencer. Because brands today, irrespective of the industry, are benefiting from influencer marketing. And the investment is very low. You need some basic shooting equipments and knowledge of video making, and you are all set to make good money out of it. So if you can create fun, engaging and informative content, even you can become an influencer. And over time, as you grow your audience, you can make money in brand collaborations. But many of you might not be comfortable being in front of the camera, or you may not enjoy the limelight. So do we have another options for you? Of course, yes. You can even become a blogger. If you're good with words, have knowledge of a particular topic, or you're interested in something that even people want to know more about, then write a blog. Start writing blogs on the topic that people are already looking for on the internet. Sharing your knowledge and encouraging people to spend more time on your blog should be your aim. But how does blogging help you earn money? You can run ads on your blogs or sell out some space on your blogs for people who want to market their products or services on your blog. Or you can altogether create new blogs where you talk about some tools and extensions, and you can sell out the top 2 to 3 positions in such blogs. Even collaborate and tie up with brands and companies and provide them with backlinks. And trust me guys, there are lakhs of bloggers out there who are earning great money out of blogging. But people these days are only interested into videos than anything else on the internet. Don't worry, I have a recommendation for that as well. You can become a YouTuber. If you enjoy watching and creating video content just like me, then YouTube can be your best way to earn money with digital marketing. Because as a YouTuber, you don't have to rely on brands or sponsorship to earn money. After you have gained certain number of subscribers and have some watch hours on your channel, you can join YouTube's partner program and then YouTube will pay you money. Isn't that great? All you have to do is make videos on topics that people are already searching on YouTube, and you have to make that videos fun and enjoyable. By the way, if you're finding this video insightful, do hit the like button. Moving on, the next thing that you should try out is become an affiliate marketer. What if I tell you that your passive source of income can be recommending people on what to buy on internet? Sounds easy and appealing, right? Well, that's what affiliate marketing is. While scrolling through YouTube, you may have come across some unboxing or review videos. And if you take a closer look, you'll also find the purchase link of that products in such videos. Well, the creators of such videos have registered themselves as affiliate marketers with the companies that sells this product. And if someone buys these products using these links, the creator of such videos earns a commission out of it. Similarly, you can register with websites that provide affiliate marketing services. And then you can use your purchase link to circulate among your social network and earn a commission from it. This is one of the oldest form of digital marketing, which is based on your network and your referrals. It is an easy process, but there are a lot of elements that you need to know before starting affiliate marketing. So if you want a detailed video on the same, do let us know in the comments below. Moving on to the last recommendation for our today's video, which by the way, our CEO Mr. Karan Shah also did. That is, become a digital marketing trainer. Knowledge has always been power, and now it's also money. Think about it. The digital marketing industry has grown aggressively in the past few years. So the demand for people who know digital marketing has surely gone up, and also the supply, but not as much as the demand. So if you have mastered digital marketing or any aspect of it, you can start training people on the same and bridge the gap between the demand and supply within the industry. You can create a video course and sell it on Udemy or Skillshare. And if not that, you can even create a mini website of yours and sell your courses on that. If you don't want to spend so much time and resources in creating video courses, you can even conduct weekly live seminars or webinars. And if not a trainer or a YouTuber, you can try out to become a freelancer. You may be a great writer or have some knowledge of algorithms of search engines or other platforms, but you're already pursuing a career in some other field. So you can work as a freelancer with brands or companies and work on project basis. And you can also continue your existing job. If not a job, you can even make a full-time career as a freelancer in the areas that you're really good at. Being a freelancer requires you to do a lot of other things than just having the relevant skill sets, like creating portfolios, having your own website, or acquiring new clients. So don't worry, we are going to make a new video for the same. So stay tuned on our channel for that video. That's it for today's video, guys. Remember, digital marketing is a way of earning money. After all, it's your skills, knowledge, and dedication that actually pays off. So keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video. Till then, like this video and subscribe to our channel.